Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question, that is sum of array element. You can find this question on Geeks for Geeks practice section. So here I will also give the link in description box, and just you can see the URL. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and do share this video as much as possible. So now without a further delay, let's start. Here I'm going to solve this question in Java, and if you are comfortable in any other language, so you can switch it from here. You can change the language like Python, JavaScript, C++, and any other languages. So here this question, first we are going to see the understand the question, then we will discuss what should be our approach, and then we are going to solve this. So first the question is, let's say in basic simple example, there is an array which have some set of elements, and we have to find the sum of that element, right? As simple as that. See here, this is my array. Here the value of n is 3, and this is my array. So 1, 2, 3. So here I want to find the 3 plus 2 plus 1. That will be my output, that is 6. If I discuss the another example, here the value of n is 4, means number of elements should be 4. So here in my array 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of element is 4 here. So what should be my output is, what will be, I have to add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10. So this will be my output. I have to add the all the elements that is present in my array. So if you see the constraint here, if you see we have to keep the time complexity, it should be order of n, and space complexity should also be order of 1. Okay, and here we are going to see the approach now. So first we are dealing with array here, and we have to find the sum. Suppose you find the sum. When you find the sum, you are going to store it somewhere. When I find the sum, see here, suppose I find the sum of elements, right? So if I find the sum, then I have to store it somewhere, na? So I will store it. So for this I should make a variable that is of integer data type, because see here everything is integer, right? So it will going to return me integer itself. So I am going to make a integer data type, that is integer data type variable int sum is equal to 0. Initially I initialize it with 0. Now this is my first step. Second, here I am dealing with an array. Here what we are dealing with an array, so there will be a loop. So let's run a loop, for loop. So this is the structure of for loop. Here int I is 0. Wait, int I is 0. I will be less than my n. Here see the n that is provided here, and now I plus plus. So now I make a variable so that I can store the sum. I traverse my loop. I traverse my array by running a for loop. So I did everything. Now I just have to I access my array. Here see, by using for loop, I traverse my array. I access the element of array. Now if I access the element of array, what will I do? I will add it. I will add it. So now let's take the our variable sum. Sum is equal to, initially the value of sum is 0. So here sum. Now the value is 0. Sum plus my array index. Whatever the index my loop will iterating, I will add it, right? So here see, initially when the loop runs, when it accesses my first index, so it will add it with sum, but initially the value is 0. So 0 plus, here suppose this is my first index, so 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 0 plus 2 is equal 3 plus 2 is equal to, now the value of sum is 3. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? And now the value of sum is 5. So and it iterate and reach here. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So like this, I add all the element of my array, and at last I will return my sum, right? And now I hope you understand till here. See the first thing. I have a set of element. I have an array. Suppose I have an array and the value is 2, 4, 6. I have to access. I have to first. The question is saying me that I have to add all the elements and find the sum. What will be the output? Is my sum. So first, for adding it and storing the result, I will make a variable. I will make a variable that I did here sum. Now if I dealing with array, I will generally what I will do, I will run a for loop. So here see, I run a for loop, and now the value of sum is initially 0, and when it start iterating, here the value of sum is 0, and my index will be, first index will be 2. So 0 plus 2, the value of sum now will be 2. Now the index increases. Now the second index come. Here the index is 4, so it will come here. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now it will again iterate, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So output will be 12 in this case. So let's hope, let's compile and run to check is there any compilation error or not. Let's hope. Yeah, it compiled successfully. Now I'm going to submit the code. Let's see how many test cases is getting passed. So right, around 110 test case and 110 test cases getting passed. So I hope you understand this video. If you understand, just hit the like, subscribe button and share this video. And guys, do subscribe this channel, because uh, there is a lot less subscriber than I expected. So it will be really great for me if you subscribe. So we will meet in next video. Hope you like this one and all the previous one. Bye bye.